Hello guys! Welcome back! Today we are going to make a mini cute basket with hearts. We will need an empty cardboard roll and a small piece of cardboard for the base. We will cut out the base and glue it to the jute fabric. You can use any fabric or use some paper. Now let's cut off the excess and make it beautiful with the help of a glue gun and scissors. I use scissors because the glue is very hot and we don't want to burn our fingers. And when that's done, we will glue the base to the cardboard roll. Now we need to make the basket itself. We take the jute rope and glue it around with a glue gun. This roll is left over from a used tape, but you can also use, for example, an empty toilet paper roll. There are so many options. And while we are gluing the rope, like this video and subscribe for more craft ideas. Now we need to make a handle. For this, we take a small piece of rope and glue it inside the basket. You can also make a basket without a handle. Do whatever you like better. Let's make hearts. We will need a silicone base and floristic wire. The wire must be cut into shorter sections. There is no specific length. You can make them shorter or longer. And now we are going to use a red glue stick to make hearts. We use a silicone base because it will be easy to remove our hearts, make the shape and add the wire. You have to work quickly, so the glue doesn't have time to dry. And don't worry if the hearts don't come out the same shape. It will be much more interesting if they are different. And we will definitely fix everything later to make them beautiful. I will leave some links in the description if you are interested in any of the materials. The glue must dry completely, and when it is hard, gently and carefully remove the hearts from the base. Valentine's Day is almost here. You can make hearts like these for different purposes, for gifts, decorations, or other things. They are so easy to make. And now let's adjust the shape to our liking. The glue is very easy to cut with scissors. At this stage, you can also choose the desired length for the wire and cut it. These glue sticks can be purchased in different colors, and you can use them to create different decorations according to the event. Now we need to start putting everything together. You can choose different dried flowers or use artificial ones like we are doing this time. Glue the flowers into the basket. I think this is starting to look very romantic. What do you think? Leave a comment. And finally, we add hearts. Be creative. We add them all one by one, and the end result will be wonderful. Adding a little touch of love, and our basket is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you feel inspired. Happy crafting, happy Valentine's Day, and see you in my next videos. Bye!